Helo, sut ydych chi? This week, I thought that we could learn some key phrases linked to Nadolig, Christmas, and try your best to use these phrases over the next tair wythnos, 3 weeks. So we'll start with Nadolig Llawen. Nadolig Llawen, which translates to Merry Christmas. Nadolig meaning Christmas, and Llawen to be cheerful or merry. Nadolig Llawen. Blwyddyn Newydd dda. Blwyddyn Newydd dda. Happy New Year. Blwyddyn translates to year. Newydd meaning new, and dda is good, so a good new year. All together, Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda. Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda. How about introducing some Cymraeg into your emails over the next tair wythnos, over the next 3 weeks? Cyfarchion y tymor. Cyfarchion y tymor. Season greetings. Cyfarchion y tymor. Mwynhewch y Nadolig. Mwynhewch y Nadolig. We already know that Nadolig means Christmas, and to mwynhau is to enjoy. So enjoy Christmas. Mwynhewch y Nadolig. Mwynha'r Nadolig. Mwynha'r Nadolig. Enjoy Christmas. As you'll notice, both mean exactly the same thing, but it depends on who you're sending your email to, depends on which one you would use. So Mwynhewch y Nadolig would be sent to someone unfamiliar, and also to plural, so if you're sending an email to more than one person. Whereas Mwynha'r Nadolig, with the A at the end, Mwynha'r Nadolig, is if you were sending an email to a familiar person and just to one person, so singular. Mwynhewch y Nadolig, to more than one person or unfamiliar. Mwynha'r Nadolig, if you're familiar to that person and it's only sent to one person. Dymuniadau gorau dros y Nadolig. Dymuniadau gorau dros y Nadolig. Best wishes over Christmas. Dymuniadau gorau dros y Nadolig. Why don't you make a note of these key phrases and try and include them in your emails over the next tair wythnos, over the next 3 weeks leading up to Nadolig. In the new year, I'm launching a new timetable of weekly lessons. So they start mid-January and it'll be a block of 10-week course. They'll be held virtually over Teams and the lessons last for an hour and a half per week. All the information regarding the different course levels and the dates they start on are available on our intranet site, and the website is just below. So please send me an email if you'd like to register or if you require any further information regarding Welsh language courses in the new year. Cofiwch, remember, defnyddiwch eich Cymraeg. Use your Welsh. Every little does help, and if you can use just some key Welsh phrases leading up to Christmas now, it would be really lovely to hear. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Nadolig Llawen a blwyddyn newydd dda.